Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be making a quick wig with some hair that I got from the beauty supply store. So first I'm just going to prep my hair. So I'm going to put on this little shower cap and then I'm going to put two wig caps over it. Now one wig cap did come with the actual hair and I'm going to show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, I'm just going to put the second one on and make sure it's comfortable on my head and make sure it's pulled down. So this is the hair that I'm using. It's synthetic hair, Freetress. And my mom actually got me this hair from some beauty supply store. I don't know. But she knew I could do something with it. And it's a 14-inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it in as a quick weave. And just do like a quick weave wig. So of course I'm going to start off how I normally start off. I sprayed a little bit of, what was that? Spritz. So I'm going to be using Spritz. And I'm going to be using like the Freeze Blast spray. Wow, I just got tongue-tied. But anyways, and then I'm just gonna lay the tracks. And as you can see, it actually holds better when I use the freeze spray versus the spritz. But you know, spritz is old school. It's always good. So I'm just gonna keep laying them. And I'm just gonna go in a U shape, really just feeling around with my hand and applying the track wherever I feel that it needs to go. So what I decided to do was pull the hair apart because I wanted to look more like kinky curly, more like natural hair, so I'm gonna pull them apart. And this is how it looks once it's pulled apart. So after doing it, one way, I got smarter and I started actually pulling apart the curls before I glued it in, and it made everything go so much quicker. So now this is what I'm gonna do for my invisible I don't know if I call it invisible part or what, but anywho, what I did was split the two tracks in half. Just, two tracks. I just split them in half, nothing too fancy. And I'm going to show you why in a minute, but for now I'm just going to fill up this little hole. And actually this hair looked pretty good to be cheap. Like, I know my mama got this on sale. That's why I was like $1 or something a pack or something. I don't know. But so this is what I'm gonna do to the top part. As you can see, I got this little rectangle type place, and with the tracks that I split, I'm gonna fill in this little area. And I'm just gonna cut the tracks to whatever size I need it, and I'm gonna place them one after another. That's the trick to this little flip over method. You want to do it one after another so that you don't have any gaps. Okay, so once you're done laying your tracks going across, what I'm doing is just filling in the little circle that's left. And it's nothing hard to it. I'm just going to put two little tracks just to cover. And I'm making sure that I'm bringing all of my tracks to the band. So next I take it off and I'm going to blow dry the inside of the cap just to make sure that the glue is like really dry before I put it back on my head. And this is how it looks. So yeah, I don't want it this long, so I just cut it a little bit, well, a lot of it, and just added some layers. So once I got it cut, this is how it looked, and I'm just gonna add. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little edges. I'm not pulling the edges all the way out. I'm literally just lifting my root. So basically, I don't have any leave out, I don't guess, because I'm not actually pulling all the way out. So just lift my root a little bit, just to cover the little band on the wig cap. And then I'm just going to add some edge control and slick my edges back. And so if you try this, what you want to do is like after you lay your edges down with your gel, You want to tie it down too, because that's going to blend it more with the curly hair. And when doing this method of just like lifting your root, it's easier to do it with curly hair than straight hair. Alright, and this is the final look. I did end up going back in and cutting some more layering after I filmed this video, but it turned out really nice and really natural. Please like, comment, and subscribe.